The relational operators in C language are as follows: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not, which also means complement, not equal to, or equal to equal to. This is an equality check operator. Now let's see all of them with some examples. Suppose I have two integers, int num1 is equals to 7 and int num2 is equals to 3. What does less than operator means? If we consider less than operator first, then what does it means? If I write here int result is equals to num1 less than num2, the answer of every relational operator will either be true or false. In computer, true means 1 and false means 0. If the above condition is satisfied, the result will be true and 1 will be displayed at the output screen. If the above condition is not satisfied, then the result is false and 0 will be displayed at the output screen. So let's compile this result and check its output. Here you can see at the output screen result is 0. So it means that our condition is not satisfied. In num1 we have stored 7 and in num2 we have stored 3. So 7 is greater than 3, but we have written num1 less than num2. So our result is false and the 0 is displayed at the output screen. I hope you are not confused. If we change the operator and execute it, so now we have other operator is of greater than. If we change this operator and write greater than here and execute this code, then we will see at the output screen now our condition is satisfied and we will get 1 at the output screen. So the answers of relational operator is either true or false. It means either 1 or 0. Computer uses binary numbers 0 and 1 and this language is known as Boolean algebra. Now let's move to another operator, less than or greater than equal to. What will happen here? We are going to change the operator less than equal to. Here are two operators. Less than operation will be performed first and then is equals to operation will be performed now. In num1 there is 7 stored, so condition will be checked that 7 is less than 3. So here this condition is false, 7 is not less than 3. Now it will check another condition, is 7 equal to 3? So this condition is false and we should get 0 at the output screen. If we execute this code, we can see that both of the conditions are false. So the result is 0. I'm sure you are not confused with what I have written here. Num1 means the value stored in num1. You can also use numbers here, like if I write here at the place of num1 7 and if I write 7 at the other side as well, just to make you understand or make you sure what I am saying. Now here you can see first the code executes the less than condition. So 7 is less than 7? No, 7 is not less than 7. Now it will check the second condition, is 7 is equals to 7? Yes, 7 is equals to 7. So if we run this code and execute, what will happen? What we will get at the output screen? Our one of the condition is true. So we will get 1 at the output screen because 7 is equals to 7. It has to check both the condition. If both the condition are false, then we will get 0. If one of the condition is true, then we will get 1 at the output screen. Many students are confused in it. So I hope you understood this concept very well. Also, greater than equal to works also with the same thing. If we change this sign and put greater than equal to here, so it will work in the same fashion as less than equal to. You can just change the operator and execute this code. So you can see we will get 1 at the output screen, because 7 is equals to 7. Although 7 is not greater than 7, but our second condition is true. So we will get at the output screen 1 at the output screen. Now we are going to move on the next operator, which is the NOT operator. NOT, it also means complement. Let's see its example. Here we will write int result is equals to not 1. How we will read it? Not 1, it means not true, because 1 means true in C language or in computer and 0 means false. So we have written here that the result is not 1. Not 1 means the result is 0. So if we execute this code, we will get 0 at the output screen. Let's execute this code. So you can see 0 is displayed at the output screen. So NOT operator always performs the opposite action. If we will write not 0, C language will read it as not false. It means the result is true. So we can do it opposite as well, like we can write not 0, the result will be true. You can check it by yourself as well. Now we can also write int result is equals to not true. If I replace 0 with true, but we have to include its header file, because it will not work without its header file. So its header file is #include std_bold.h. If you want to write this command, then you should include its header file. Now you can execute this code and you will check the result is not true, means the result is false, and 0 will be displayed at the output screen. So this is how it works. Complement means the opposite action. It becomes more readable, it means that result will be opposite. Now let's look into another example to make you understand more easily about this function. If we write here 7 not equal to 3, now you are getting 7 is obviously not equal to 3. So what we have written is 7 is not equal to 3. This means that our result or our condition is true. So we will get what we will get at the output screen. We will get 1 at the output screen. If we execute this code, here we can see at the output screen 1 is displayed. So obviously our condition was true, that 7 is not equal to 3. In this command, not equal to is a single operator. It means in this condition only not is executed and only not is read by the program. Its result is obviously 1 as we have checked out. If we rewrite it again, 7 not equal to 7, then what will happen? We will get 0 at the output screen, because 7 is equal to 7. If we execute this code, we can see we got 0 at the output screen. So this is what I want to make you understand, that in this command only not is executed, and this is only a single operator. Quickly let's move to the last operator. If we write here 7 equal to 7, so this is an equality check operator. It means that the value on both sides of the operator are checked, either they are same or not. If we execute this code, we can see that our condition is true, so we will get 1 at the output screen. So this is very simple, and it is quite similar to not operator, which gives the opposite result, and it gives 1 at the same result or same values on both sides of operator. If you have any confusion, you can ask us and join our Facebook page. I have missed here 2 logical operators, logical OR and logical AND. We will discuss it in condition statements in our upcoming tutorials. Stay connected to Education 24/7.